Hello students, hope you all are well and preparing for the examination as timetable and syllabus of Evaluation 1 was uploaded on Campus Care app. For the examination, there will be two sections. Section A, descriptive questions for 25 marks and Section B, 25 MCQs for 25 marks. So these descriptive questions you have to solve on ruling page, and then after solving this question you have to click the photo of your answer sheet and upload it on Campus Care app, or you have to send it on the email ID given on your question paper. Let's see how to upload your answer sheet on Campus Care app. Open your Campus Care app using your ID and password. This screen will be open. Here you have to go to the messages, click on it. After clicking on messages, you will see here at right bottom side one addition sign. Click on that sign. Then you will see this screen. Here top right corner you can see one addition sign with a man. Click on that. After clicking here, you will see four options: admin, class teacher, subject teacher and done. Click on subject teacher. After clicking, you can see your subject teacher's name. Now you have to select the subject teacher's name for which subject you are going to upload the answer sheet. Suppose you are going to upload the answer sheet of English and your English teacher is Deepali Kapse. Then you have to select Deepali Kapse. Then click on done. After clicking on done, you can see the name of Deepali Kapse. Here you have to go to the bottom corner. Then there addition sign is there. Click on that. Then you have to go to the bottom corner and click on addition sign. Here you can see three options: image, PDF and voice message. If you are going to upload image, click on image. If you are going to upload PDF, then click on PDF. If you are uploading a PDF file, then size of PDF file should not be more than 5 MB. If you are going to upload image, click on image. After clicking on image, select the image which you want to upload, adjust it properly and then crop it. Now here in text message you can write your name and class and click on the arrow. If you want to upload a PDF file, click on it. Then select the PDF file which you want to upload. Now this is the sign of PDF file. Then click on the arrow. In this way you can upload a PDF file also. I hope all you have understood. Thank you.